Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's describe the picture for beginners. A beautiful sunny morning. We are going to describe the picture in present continuous tense. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. The owl is sitting on the tree branch. A bird is flying happily in the sky. Two girls are sitting under the tree. One girl is reading a book. The other girl is laughing loudly. A little girl is sliding down the yellow slide. She is smiling with joy. A green caterpillar is crawling on the grass. A cute dog is running on the path. A boy is riding his bicycle. He is wearing a red helmet. Two boys are sitting on the wooden bridge. They are talking and laughing together. The sky is looking clear and blue. A girl is standing near a painting board. She is painting a yellow flower. The frog is sitting quietly near the easel. The trees are giving cool shade. The grass is shining in the sunlight. The children are enjoying their time in the park. The dog is wagging its tail happily. The girl on the slide is wearing a blue shirt. The boy on the bridge is wearing a white t-shirt. The painter girl is holding a paintbrush in her hand. The butterfly shapes are painted on her palette. The children are feeling happy and cheerful. The owl is watching everyone from the tree. The sun is smiling with warmth. Everyone is having a fun day at the park. Now, we are going to describe this picture in future continuous tense. The sun will be shining brightly in the sky. The owl will be sitting on the tree branch. A bird will be flying happily in the blue sky. Two girls will be sitting under the big tree. One girl will be reading her favorite book. The other girl will be laughing loudly. A little girl will be sliding down the yellow slide. She will be smiling with joy. A green caterpillar will be crawling on the grass. A cute dog will be running on the path. A boy will be riding his bicycle fast. He will be wearing a red helmet. Two boys will be sitting on the wooden bridge. They will be talking and enjoying the view. The sky will be looking clear and beautiful. A girl will be standing near the painting board. She will be painting a bright yellow flower. The frog will be sitting near the easel. The trees will be giving cool shade. The grass will be shining in the sunlight. The children will be enjoying their time in the park. The dog will be wagging its tail happily. The girl on the slide will be wearing a blue shirt. The boy on the bridge will be wearing a white t-shirt. The painter girl will be holding a paintbrush in her hand. She will be coloring her drawing carefully. The children will be feeling excited and happy. The owl will be watching everyone from the tree. The sun will be smiling warmly from the sky. Everyone will be having a wonderful day at the park. Questions and answers practice related to the picture. What is the girl doing near the boat? Answer. She is painting a yellow flower. Who is sliding down the slide? A girl is sliding down the slide. What is the boy doing on the bicycle? He is riding his bicycle happily. Where is the owl sitting? The owl is sitting on the tree branch. What are the two boys doing on the bridge? They are sitting and talking together. What will the girl be doing near the boat? She will be painting a yellow flower. Who will be sliding down the slide? A girl will be sliding down the slide. What will the boy be doing on the bicycle? He will be riding his bicycle happily. Where will the owl be sitting? The owl will be sitting on the tree branch. What will the two boys be doing on the bridge? Answer. They will be sitting and talking together. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.